here to Phoenix. Baholo's ready. Baholo, JB, I see you. Cuzzo, it's going down. Shot Storm
on this track.
My girl.
I'm all on Phoenix back. Yep. The saga continues every day. Misery and poverty. Whoa, getting the best of me.
Y'all ready? Why explain the game? Dudes ain't listening, said he. Must have did something, got people paying attention, but he gotta keep them dazzled. Can't let them turn away, show them a thing or three. Yeah, that's just the Phoenix way. Breaking down old walls, there's a new beginning. Can see it in the distance, closing in, we'll spin it on the hands of time. Won't be long before I claim the prize. Living in the present, so I'm gifted till the day I die. Now let's see what it's gonna be. I keep reaching for these dreams with this productive energy. They say sky's the limit, I'm just striving toward it, no less. Could die any minute, oh yes. Better keep recording, no stress. When I'm in the booth, man, let me loose, I'ma tear it up. Make you and your troops in the SOS, yeah, you gon' flare it up. Hempstead, Long Island, where the boys be wildin' on the daily. We 80s babies, crazy, feds came close but couldn't fade me, I'm gone.
Saga continues every day.
Ride hollow. Yes, sir. Chinks, man, I got you. You dig? No, my dude.
Misery
and what?
And poverty.
Get them shot.
Whoa.
They're getting the best of me, man.
Getting the best of me.
So you know what? Look, my gun is my chick, and for that cash I light a fan. And leave your brain sticking on the wall like Spider-Man. Cause dog, for that cash that's green, I blast your team and leave you wet like gasoline. Your boy smooth like cash and cream. So while you in the hood broke, I'm at the jeweler getting my carriage clean. And yeah, I'm on my rap grind, but still be on my pack grind. Cause by all means necessary, I'ma stack mine. I even got chicks that get cake for me. Yeah, I got it like that, like skateboard P. So I don't mean a fool fight when I say I got cake on me. That mean I'm holding it, so hate on me. But don't try nothing dumb, cause I was bad to leave 5 in your tongue. Hempstead, yeah, ride from the slum, and I get it done. I roll with G's and my riders have been you. Every day, man, the saga continue. You dig?
The saga continues every day.
Yup.
Misery and poverty.
We all go through it.
Whoa, getting the best of me.
Last time I felt trapped, dressed in all black, but I think cause I'm black is the reason why I'm trapped. Gotta stay with it, gotta go get it. Keep spitting food for thought and hoping that they feel it. To all my fans, y'all more than just a friend. They love how we get down, so I'm back again with vengeance. And a whole lot of pain, a whole lot of anger, a whole lot of change. Since I last spoke to you, my man Main passed. It was like yesterday, things happen so fast. Thoughts going through my mind, getting a Henny on. Only got 2 options, fall or carry on. What I've been through, it drive a dude insane. But making songs like this kinda ease the pain. Can't vent now, cause whatever you do, no matter what, the saga still continue.
The saga continues every day.
Let me take you away.
Misery and poverty. Whoa, getting the best of me.
Y'all ready? A rhyme master, hell of a line crafter. Top slot I'm after, stop not till it's captured. Then I go on defense and fend off my attackers. Counteractive, flows delivered massive to your glass junior. Warfare is past tense. The Phoenix forever evolving. That's him with them stunners on, giving kids dollars, saying run along. No, it ain't much, but somewhat of a stepping stone on them stairs to heaven. Though rough, I keep treading. I gotta clear the path for this movement that I'm heading. Got the whole hood with me, cause your boy ain't shifty. Low down and gritty, like them dudes down with sticky. Ain't talking about the icky, yet I used to have a piffy. To them federales winning while you tap my fizzy. Man, the rest is history, guess they missed me for a reason. Yeah, there's way too many soldiers on the streets committing treason. I'm on.
Saga